PLM is all about managing your product lifecycle, how you get your idea from concept to customer, as well as what happens once your products are out in the marketplace. Just like a PDM system manages the links and relationships between drawings, assemblies, and parts, PLM manages the links and relationships between your different business processes that get a product to market. In the past, companies managed all this with paper forms, spreadsheets, and antiquated homegrown systems. Autodesk PLM provides a modern, streamlined solution to help you reduce costly errors, get to market faster, and increase revenue. At the core of every PLM system is managing your core product development cycle. Here, you see the foundational workspaces of items, which are the components that make up your product, and a bill of materials workspace to manage procurement of all such items. A documents workspace provides a repository for all documentation related to getting a product developed and into the marketplace. This is the basic core set of processes that PLM can help you get under control. Next is change management. Throughout the product development and lifecycle stages, there is constant change. It's the top reason why so many companies find it difficult to scale when trying to grow their product offerings. It becomes too chaotic and difficult to track. These are both liabilities to your company and your bottom line. With Fusion Manage, each change management workspace is connected directly to areas where changes originate from, whether it's from a regular development cycle, a quality issue, or supply chain issues. You want your customers to be happy with your products. Quality issues are a top source of dissatisfaction and can also have negative financial repercussions on your operating costs. It's also one of the top sources of changes, so it makes sense that you would want a quality management system that is connected and integrated into your change processes. From non-conformances to quality checklists to corrective actions, you can rest assured that you'll have full traceability of the who, what, when, and where of issues that arise before, during, and after the product development process. You can't do it alone. You rely on third-party suppliers and manufacturers to get things done. In order to be successful, you'll need a system that can improve collaboration and communication between all stakeholders. Here you can see that we provide a number of connected workspaces to ensure that you have a clear understanding of what your supply chain is capable of and develop plans to adapt when things change. And of course, you want to take the insights and successes of your current product lines and develop new and exciting products for your existing customers, as well as new product opportunities. So, having workspaces to streamline new product introductions will help you control development costs and provide new revenue streams. Plus, there is so much more that you can expand our PLM capabilities to, such as product portfolio management and product ideation. When it comes to managing your product development process, Autodesk PLM has you covered, with standardized flexibility to grow and execute on your unique way of doing business.